Did you know a village healer once sacrificed her voice to save everyone she loved? This is the story of Mama Bayodun. She could heal anyone with just her songs. The Orisha Osanyin had blessed her voice with power that no medicine could match. But then children started dying. A terrible plague swept through her village, and for the first time, her songs weren't enough. In a dream, the ancestors revealed the truth. They were angry. The village had forgotten the old ways. Only one cure existed. Mama Bayodun had to sing for 7 days and 7 nights straight, pour every drop of her voice's power into one final healing song. It would save everyone, but steal her voice forever. She didn't hesitate. For 7 days, her voice echoed through the village. As the last note faded to a whisper, the plague lifted. The children lived. Mama Bayodun never spoke again, but the village learned something beautiful. When love guides the sacrifice, everyone learns to heal.